How to look rich and classy. Looking rich and classy isn't about flashy displays of wealth. It's about sophistication, elegance, and timeless style. This approach focuses on understated elegance rather than loud luxury or trendy looks. It's about presenting yourself in a polished and refined way, which anyone can achieve, regardless of their budget. Timeless style over trends. Looking sophisticated starts with timeless, classic styles rather than trendy pieces. Opt for neutral tones and versatile staples that create a polished foundation for your wardrobe. Luxe details. Incorporate subtle, luxurious details into your outfits. Look for tailored pieces with special features, like pleats, cuffs, or unique buttons. These elements instantly elevate your outfit without being over the top. Even small adjustments, like replacing buttons on an inexpensive top with higher quality ones, can make a big difference. Perfect fit. A well-fitting outfit is non-negotiable. Wealthy individuals prioritize clothes that complement their body, avoiding overly tight or overly loose garments. Investing in tailoring ensures a polished and professional look. Quality over quantity. High-quality pieces, though more expensive initially, are a better investment than cheap disposable items. A single well-made shirt will last for years, while lower-quality alternatives may only survive a few months. Building a wardrobe of high-quality essentials over time will ensure longevity and style. Effortless elegance with silk is a natural choice for achieving a chic, sophisticated look. Its luxurious texture and appearance make even the simplest outfits feel elevated. Investing in quality silk items like those offered by brands such as Lily Silk can transform your wardrobe. By focusing on these principles, timeless styles, luxe details, perfect fit, and high-quality materials, you can achieve a sophisticated and classy look that exudes confidence and elegance. Achieve a classy look on any budget with these tips. Wear monochrome outfits in the same color family, like navy with pastel blue or beige with cream, adding subtle gold or silver jewelry for elegance. Focus on timeless, high-quality basics in natural fabrics like silk or cotton, avoiding loud prints and trends. Elevate inexpensive outfits with a standout accessory, such as a structured handbag or patent leather shoes. Prioritize fit and fabric over flashy logos. Maintain neat grooming, styled hair, and clean shoes, opting for natural makeup. Finally, exude confidence and poise. Stand tall, listen attentively, and avoid bragging. Sophistication whispers, it doesn't shout.